As with almost every door handle, start by removing the stubble at the level of the handle on the inside. Underneath is the grub screw, Torx 20. Hold the door handle outwards, at tension, and unscrew the grub screw until you feel clear resistance. Then press the screw inwards. The door handle then remains in the tightened position by itself. Pull the painted handle cover backwards to release it from the handle. The best way to do this is to push the handle in at the front and at the same time push the panel backwards. After the cover is off, pull out the sensor for keyless go and the light and lock it. The two screws for the door handle, Torx 20, are now underneath. Loosen the screws, they won't come out completely, and then take out the door handle. Now remove the counterpart and take out the two seals.